It's a Schindler lift, capacity 33 persons, 2,500 kilos, built in 2011. It's a Schindler 5400, this one. It's quite nice. This is another lift on the other side at IKEA in Caen. It's the same as the last one, but this one you can't go down. This is the main car park lifts at IKEA in Caen. It's two different lifts, two separate lifts, but it looks like they act as two. It's actually two as one set, but it's actually two lifts. Door close button does work like that. It's another Schindler 5400, capacity 53 persons, 4,000 kilos. We're going to ride the other one now on this side. So it looks like it's a set of two lifts, but it's actually two different lifts. This is another lift at IKEA car park. This is the one that goes down to car park in Caen. We're only going to go down in this one. Door closes when I press the button, I like that. Capacity 53 persons, 4,000 kilos, built in 2011. It's another Schindler 5400. This door. There it goes. And that's it.